In this video, we will explore the incredible benefits of aloe vera for your skin and hair. Get ready to unlock the secrets of this powerful plant. Let's start with the skin. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties, making it perfect for treating sunburns and reducing inflammation. Its cooling effect calms the skin and speeds up the healing. Unlike regular market-bought moisturizers, aloe vera gel, when used as a moisturizing gel, doesn't leave a greasy film on the face and the skin. In fact, it does just the opposite. It unclogs the pores and softens the skin. It gives your skin ample hydration. Aloe vera gel has vitamin C and E, beta-carotene in abundance. Therefore, it has anti-aging properties. It also contains antimicrobial properties and is anti-inflammatory. It also helps to eradicate skin blemishes and diminish age lines. Additionally, it helps to increase the production of collagen in the body and skin elasticity. Those who suffer from acne will find respite in aloe vera. It helps in gentle cleansing, and its antimicrobial properties treat pimples without causing any damages to the skin. It is an antiseptic that allows protection against bacteria. A great way to fight acne. Aloe vera contains powers to boost skin cell reproduction, reduce redness, and fight skin inflammation. It is a natural treatment for stretch marks and acne marks. Now let's talk about your hair. Aloe vera has incredible moisturizing properties that nourish and strengthen your locks. It deeply penetrates the hair shaft, repairing damaged hair and preventing breakage. Get ready to say goodbye to frizz and hello to soft, shiny hair. But wait, there's more. Aloe vera stimulates hair growth by improving blood circulation in the scalp. Say goodbye to thinning hair and hello to a fuller, healthier mane. It also helps soothe scalp conditions like dandruff and itching. So, how can you incorporate aloe vera into your beauty routine? It's simple. You can apply aloe vera gel directly onto your skin or mix it with your favorite moisturizer or lotion. For your hair, you can use aloe vera as a leave-in conditioner or mix it with your shampoo and conditioner. It's versatile and easy to use. You can mix aloe vera with honey, add few drops of lemon, and your face mask is ready for glowing skin. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Transform your skin and hair with the incredible power of aloe vera.